I'm Sotahara from second year B.Ed. So, today we were gonna discuss what is a family means. Is this just a people related by blood or is it something more? Let's see. Family is a group of individuals that are related with blood, marriage, adoption, or even those individuals that they are not related in blood, but you can call it as your family. For example, is your friends. Every culture has its own ideas about family, which shapes our values and identities. Today, we'll explore what is family means, knowing its different type of disciplining their kids before and now. And also, we will gonna know how this relationship affects our lives. In this short interview video, we will look at how raising kids in the families has changed over time. We will look about why families are important and how we deal with challenges in our own families. If you could teach only three values to every child in the world, what would they be and why are they your top picks?
I will teach the child to have a fear of God, respect the parents, and be honest. I will pick these three because this is the most important values to teach them because without fear of God, they could be a bad person in the future. Children must teach also to respect their parents and also for them to be honest. As a mother of three kids, I will always guide them and teach them so that I have ease in my heart that when they grow, they are good and kind person.
Has your family ever faced a uh-oh moments when you had a choice between right and wrong? What happened and what did we learn from it?
Yes, I faced a uh-oh moment where my daughter fight with other kids, but I sided my daughter even though she's the one who hurt the kids first. I sided my daughter, but at the same time, I tell her that what she's done was wrong. I tell my daughter to say sorry for the kids she hurt.
Do you think families today raise child the same way they did when you were younger or has something changed? What's better now and what you miss?
For my opinion, not the same way as my parent raised me so strictly. While in our new generation, as a parent, as a part of it, I should say I raise my kids with no restrictions. They can do what they want. Sleep late night using mobile phones. For me, it's better now because kids nowadays uh, learn easily. But what I miss is the rules for of all generations and no mobile phones.
Imagine you're putting a letter in a time capsule for your great grandkids. What one lesson, life, or moral advice would you include to help them live a good life?
For my great grandkids, grandma will telling you that please, no matter what happens, finish your studies and make your parents proud.
Who in your family do you admire most when it comes to doing what's right and why?
I always admire my mother when it comes to doing what's right because as a saying, mothers knows best.
Was there ever a rule or value your parents taught you that you didn't understand until you were older?
I remember when my mom told me that if someone make mistakes, my mom always says to me that don't do what others do unto you.
If you made a family motto or slogan about what you believe in, what would it say?
Together we grow, together we thrive.
Complete this sentence. A family is not perfect, but it should always be.
Complete.
I learned that each family has their own way of raising kids. Each family has a different way to discipline their children, and some methods may seem strict or unusual. It's clearly they're trying their best to be a good parents. They want their kids to grow up kind and respectful to others. It's obviously that our parents love us a lot, and this love also shows how much they care for us. Even when the times are hard, their efforts shows that they want the best for us and hope we become a kind people. The value of Ate Anna's family are similar to mine. For example, we both believe in being honest, which matches my views on being open and truthworthy. However, I also valued being independent and creative, which sometimes differs from my family's and Ate Anna's family's traditional beliefs. This difference has helped me to think of new ideas while still honoring core values. From what she shared, I learned a lot about the importance of family. Building a family is like making choices between right and wrong. Sometimes you might make a wrong choice for the sake of your family, especially for the kids, even if you know it's wrong. However, you can guide your child by teaching them what is right and discussing why certain actions are not good. This has opened my eyes and helped me to understand my values better and strive to do better.